Are your kids constantly on the mind-numbing screen, playing video game after video game, scrolling through their phone on TikTok and YouTube and everything else? Do you want a free, fun, and easy guide for your kids to get them drawing and being creative? I'm Jenny Lee, and I'm the creator of the Art for Life Blueprint. We actively engage kids to create their own art instead of having them passively engage with screens, just watching the product of someone else's creativity while hours fly by. In a nutshell, we help you raise producers instead of consumers using our P4 Pick system. And today, we're giving away our free drawing book with loads of underwater animals and scenery that can be combined into endless combinations for creative masterpieces for your kids. Click the link to the right or down below to get our free book instantly. And let's get those kids off the screens for a while. Look, we all know that kids spend too much time mindlessly watching videos and other electronic entertainment. Gone are the days when kids can just run outside and create their own fun with whomever and whatever they happen to find. I remember as a kid just running out and making magical creations and entire worlds out of things I found in a vacant field by my house and my imagination. But that's okay. There's so many cool things for kids today too, as long as we as parents remember and make sure that our kids still get that creative time. And they have an outlet to express any negative feelings inside, especially these days. That's why we decided to simply give our book away for free. This book is full of amazing underwater creatures and animals, and not just that, but also things that they would find in the environment, like sea coral and seaweed and treasure chests and plenty of things that they can put into their own composition. Art and creative expression is the perfect path to increasing happiness and a sense of pride and accomplishment in your child. It also forces them to work through problems and build resilience and problem-solving skills in a way that's fun. It's truly a magical combination. So click the button to the right or just down below this video to get started with a fun and simple free creative book for free. That reminds me of that movie Bedtime Stories. Do you remember? For free, when he's talking about the Ferrari. Sorry, I digress. I said it funny and it got me thinking. If you haven't seen it, good movie, go watch it. Anyway, it's specifically designed so that your kids can just take it and go. You can get a well-deserved break while they venture off into their own imagination. Our creativity boosting books are geared for kids age 5 to 12 mostly. They don't even need to be able to read to follow along and start making their own masterpieces. Imagine your child is engaged in fun art activities. You get a break while your kids are having fun. Your kids boost their creativity and productivity. Your child discovers a love of art that will last a lifetime. Your kids feel a sense of pride and accomplishment in their work. So click our links and that will take you to the free book and get instant access to increased creativity, imagination, and fun for your kids today. The link should be right over there to the right and down below this video. I sure hope you have fun and enjoy our book. Hey, feel free to photograph their work and tag us, hashtag AFLB or hashtag Art for Life Blueprint. That way we can be sure to find it and celebrate along with you. I can't wait to see what your child creates. Click to the right or down below and have a fabulous creative day.